Hi, I'm Todd from thatsafetyguy.info, and today what we're going to talk about is the shock absorbing web lanyard. With me is Elias from Spanset, and so Elias, what's this big chunky dongle thing for?
Good question, Todd. We come across quite a few guys thinking or presuming that the big plastic chunky thing is just packaging, which they actually need to cut off the plastic. That is definitely not the case. This component here is what we actually call the shock absorber, which is a component of our standard 1.8 meter lanyard. The purpose of this, that in the case of a fall, it must or would take a big fall, and very, very rarely do you see this happen, that this will actually deploy out at a complete stretch of an additional 1.75 meters, which will basically therefore reduce the overall impact of the fall.
So I guess guys need to be aware that it's not just the length of this that they're going to fall, they're going to absorb some of that.
By all means, there's the actual length of the lanyard of 1.8 meters to consider. There is the additional 1.75 meters of the energy absorber. Also to that, you've got the additional height of the individual, as the standard is about 1.8, and generally speaking, the fall clearance of 1 meters under the leg. So therefore, to utilise or be using a 1.8 meter lanyard generally works with a clearance of about 6.5 meters.
Okay, and I think this one's a dud because my hooks don't open.
Yeah, now with the snap hooks, you'll receive one of these at each end of the lanyard. They're actually a double action snap hook as per Australian standards, which incorporates pressing from one side and then will open up the gate. The shock absorber component is always to the harness itself, where the second component would either go to could be your anchor point or could possibly be your rope restraint line.
Very important, not to the other guy helping you out on site.
Very true indeed.
Yeah. Okay then, hope you enjoyed it. Cheers, see you next time.
Thank you.